Welcome to Kinesis, the new innovation in telematics. Over the next few minutes, we plan to give you an overview of some of the features of our system and how we think it can help you to manage your vehicles more efficiently. We haven't got time to show you all the functionality, but it should give you a flavour of how powerful a tool it can be and how easy it is to use. We will also show you our app, which allows you to get all the benefits of our service while you are on the move. So let's start with Live Map. This feature shows you exactly where your vehicles are, making it easier for you to schedule work and improve the service to your customers. You can allocate your vehicles into groups, which can then be colour-coded. And it's easy to turn the groups on or off. There are a wide range of options, including satellite view, and you can easily overlay latest traffic information. If you click on an individual vehicle, you get more options. You can access much more detailed information, including current location, speed, and direction of travel. You can even use Street View to see exactly where your vehicle is. An additional useful feature here is the ability to calculate an estimated journey time to a destination address. You simply enter the address of where you are going. For this demonstration, let's put in Leeds. Press Go, and you can see that the estimated journey time here is 1 hour and 47 minutes. If you want to keep your customers fully updated, you can even send them a personalised tracking link. You simply enter their email address, a custom message, and the date and time that you want them to have access. And then press Go. The system then confirms that everything has been sent correctly. This is a great feature for when your customer needs to monitor the progress of their delivery. Now we'll move on to journey history. All our reports are intuitive to run. You simply choose which vehicle or drivers you want to look at, and then what time period you want to view them over. I'll pick driver 35. Then you pick the time period, which could be today, the last 7 days, or the previous 3 months. Once you are in the screen, it's easy to toggle between different time periods. Here's yesterday, for example. Now, let's change to the last 7 days. Now that you have generated your report, you can look at an individual journey in greater detail by clicking on Journey Playback. Once you are in the next screen, you click on Start to replay the journey. Any events, such as speeding or harsh braking, are shown along the route. Everything that I've just shown you is also available on the app. Another good way of monitoring a vehicle's usage is using our daily utilisation function. This shows start time in the morning, drive time, when it was stopped, and the time it finished at the end of the day. You can switch between looking at one driver over an extended period or your whole fleet for a single day, allowing you to easily identify any problems. Next is driver performance. This part of the system really helps you identify problem areas so you can improve fuel efficiency as well as safety. You pick drivers and timeframes in the normal way. I've picked all drivers and yesterday. The summary screen quickly shows you who your worst drivers are and then allows you to quickly drill down through the system to look at individual incidents. I'm going to look at speeding, and I can see that my worst driver is driver 26. Let's have a look at the speeding incidents for this driver for today. This driver has had 11 speeding incidents. One of these events was over 40 miles an hour in a 30 mile an hour limit. Here is the date that this took place, and here is where the event happened. Vehicle performance is also a key area to help you improve the operation of your fleet. You can easily see your miles per gallon or kilometres per litre. Geo Plus. Geo Plus is a unique feature that we have developed, which looks for transactions on fuel cards where the vehicle was not present. This is a good report for detecting possible driver fraud. Here's a card being used when the vehicle was actually 20 miles away. That's a really quick look at the system, but we also have a range of additional features, including alerts on speeding, idling and out-of-hours usage, geofencing, which allows you to monitor vehicles leaving and arriving at a designated area, business private mileage reporting, and driver privacy, which allows you to monitor vehicles only on weekdays and within work hours, if that's how you want to manage your fleet. And we're not stopping there. We are continuing to develop the system and push at the boundaries of innovation.
Right, okay, yeah. Alexa, ask Kinesis, where is Dave Roberts?
Dave Roberts' current location is Herald Drive, Crewe, United Kingdom.
I hope that you've enjoyed our quick demo and have got a bit of a feel for how different our system is and how it can help you improve the management of your fleet. Thanks for watching.